Love the Lutron Caséta line of products. I have 26 Caséta switches and have had zero problems and 100% happiness that the home is automated for so little investment. Lutron's products are easy to install and robust. They never lose their Wi-Fi identity. I really like their Pico control. Third Lutron switch install made easy thanks to Lutron support. This one controls the sconces on each side of the garage. Works flawlessly. These work well with Alexa, and it's nice to be able to quickly turn the lights on and off by voice. I've been replacing both my dimming and non-dimming Lutron Mistral switches with these. I've used both the 6A with a neutral and the 5A without neutrals on these standard non-dimmable switches, and they both work well. I would give them 5 stars if they had the option for the backlight when not on. Used to create a 3-way switch for an attic light. Great to eliminate wiring issues, but still get the needed function, a light switch at both the top and bottom of the stairs. Super well designed, excited to build into my home. I ordered this with a great Prime Day price, and I love all the components which came in the box, but the Pico remote mounting bracket, Pico WBX Adapt, which is advertised as being a part of the kit, and shows it as being a part of the kit on the box it was shipped in, was not included. So, I requested a replacement and shipped the original delivery back, which was missing the mount. The replacement package arrived yesterday, and it is also missing the Pico WBX Adapt mounting bracket. Again, the box shows it is supposed to be included. Now, that part, Pico WBX Adapt, is only a $5.95 component from Amazon separately, so it isn't going to break the bank, but I am disappointed I cannot seem to get a complete shipment of what I ordered. Don't know who is to blame, here, Amazon or Lutron. I called the manufacturer, Lutron, and they stated that incomplete shipments are something Amazon should be responsible, and the box for the kit was not fully sealed in either of my shipments. So it is possible that someone at Amazon has sifted through all of the kit boxes and removed the single component, unlikely, or it is also possible that Lutron has stopped including the part and has not updated their packaging. For $6 I am not going to fight it anymore, but just be aware. You likely will not get the mounting bracket for the Pico remote if you order this kit. Lutron is used throughout our home and works seamlessly with the system. I used this one to be able to voice control a bathroom light to turn off when people would walk out leaving it on. Lutron is easy to integrate with Alexa. I have ordered 2 switches, one at a time. First one was shipped fine from TX, second one was shipped out of Jacksonville, Florida, and was not so fine. Switch was sent without the wall plate. Called Amazon and was told I had to call Lutron myself to solve this problem. Adam at Lutron was very helpful and is sending me the wall plate. Oh, the installation information wasn't clear, but found how to correctly install the switch by searching on YouTube. Switch works great with my Echo Dot. This system works flawlessly. I used it to replace one switch on a 3-way system. Instructions for installations more involved than a single switch replacement you can find online from Lutron. Overall very pleased with the quality and integration. Click link in description for more reviews.